5 game-changing apps that every Nigerian realtor needs. If you're a real estate professional, then you should have these apps on your phone. First up, Caption. Picture this. You've got these stunning property videos, but what about the captions that makes listings irresistible? Caption is your secret weapon for crafting captivating captions that hook potential buyers and elevate your social media game. Number 2, we have Capcut. When it comes to showcasing properties, video speaks volume. With Capcut, you can effortlessly edit your property tours and professional touches and create visually stunning content that leaves a lasting impression on your audience. Number 3, TikTok or Google Task. They both do the same thing. As realtors, we juggle countless tasks and appointments. These apps keeps you organized and on track, allowing you to prioritize your task, set reminders, and conquer your to-do list with ease. The next app on our list is Notion. I consider this my digital Swiss Army knife for real estate. Now, from managing clients' information to tracking leads and projects, Notion's customizable workspace adds to your unique needs, empowering you to streamline your workflow and stay on top of your game. Number 5, who could forget Teleprompter? Whether you're shooting property walkthroughs or recording client presentations, Teleprompter ensures you deliver your message flawlessly, guiding you through your script with confidence and professionalism. So let me give you a bonus, which is my favorite, Hubspot. Now, as the heartbeat of your business, Hubspot's CRM platform helps you build and nurture relationships, track interactions, and close deals with finesse, all while providing exceptional service to your clients. In conclusion, these mobile apps are more than just tools. They are the keys to unlocking your full potential as a Nigerian realtor. Incorporate them into your daily routine and watch as your business reaches new heights. Like, follow, share for more tips, and save this video so that you don't forget these apps. Mr. Property, Pumba!